Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany with Quilt Quarters, and I wanted to let y'all know that we are going to have a holiday open house. It is Saturday, November 15th, and it's going to be all day long. We are going to have a $100 gift basket that you can come in and register for. No purchase necessary, but you have to come in and register. We're going to have a spinner wheel at the register too for additional discounts. All of our fall fabric, Christmas fabric, all of that's going to be 25% off. Oh gosh, what else? We're going to have refreshments. Oh, we are going to have like a sidewalk sale on sample store quilts. So all of our store sample quilts that either no longer have patterns or fabric for, we are selling our quilts. So this is a perfect time to come in and take a look at these quilts, purchase them at a really good price, and give them as Christmas gifts. So we're going to have a table full of quilts in all different sizes. So that's going to be really fun. Um, let's see what else we're going to have. We're going to have refreshments. I don't know if I mentioned that, but we're just wanting to celebrate you, our customers, and the holidays coming up and have an open house. So please come and join us. It is Saturday, November 15th. And also, I forgot, we are going to have a make and take. So two of our educators, Jocelyn and April. Jocelyn is our brother educator, and April is our serger educator. I haven't done a video with April yet, but I will be doing that soon to introduce you. She is our all things serger educator, and we are thrilled to welcome her to our team here at Quilt Quarters. But we're going to have some floor machines set up, some embroidery machines with brother, and then we're going to have some sergers set up. And we've got these cute little Christmas napkins that we're going to have pre-kitted for you to where you can put your monogram on it and then take it to the serger and serge the edges. So what a great time to come in and get your hands on an embroidery machine and also a serger and see how you like it. We've got uh, Black Friday sales going on the whole month of November. So sales, sales, sales on all of our brands of machines, embroidery machines, sewing machines, quilting machines, sergers, everything. Now is the time. It's the holidays, and this is a perfect time to purchase machines. So make and take. The make and take is going to go from 11 to 3, and we are going to have kits made up so that you can make these, but they're $10 each. So we would love for you to join us, but we would appreciate you calling and registering so we know how many kits to make. So this is just going to be a really fun time just to start the holidays, November 15th, all day long. It's going to be so much fun, and we would love for you to join us. So we can't wait to see you. Thanks.